Mount Mayon, located in Albay province, boasts the distinction of having a perfect symmetrical cone, making it one of the world's most beautiful volcanoes.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva DID AI Presenter. Log in on your Canva account. Go to Apps and search for Canva DID AI Presenter. Select this. You have two options here. You can choose between use existing design or use a new design of your presentation. You can begin with making your presentation. Once you use DID AI Presenter from your previous project, it will reflect here. Select your presenters. Type in the text your presenters will say. Choose the language and choose the voice. You can now preview it.
Mount Mayon, located in Albay province, boasts the distinction of having a
Click on Generate Presenter once you are satisfied with it.
Mount Mayon, located in Albay province, boasts the distinction of having a perfect symmetrical cone, making it one of the world's most beautiful volcanoes.
You can also put your presenter inside a frame.
Mount Mayon, located in Albay province, boasts the distinction of having a perfect symmetrical cone, making it one of the world's most beautiful volcanoes.
And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!